Hello, this is Miss Mora. I wanted to create a short tutorial to kind of walk you through some of the assignments you will be seeing in Khan Academy and also how we can use Word document to ink over our work. And so I'm going to focus on this first assignment that I assigned for C-Day on area of geometric shapes, and this one is assigned for March the 18th. So right here you don't see this first link because that's the link that I'm currently working on to put in here for the tutorial that you're watching right now. So this second link is one that's going to take you to Khan Academy. So when I click there, it's going to take you to Khan Academy, and on the left hand side you will notice how this is the one that has like blue beside it. That's the one we're currently on. That's the icon for the video, and we are looking at area of a quadrilateral on a grid. Right above that, there's another video that you can watch if you want to look into area of a triangle and how they did that one. And then the third link on Canvas is the one that's going to take you to practice area of shapes on grids. So normally this is the link that I assign, and then right above that you will always be able to see the video that goes along with the practice. So you can watch the video. If you want extra help, you can watch this one and play it for extra help as well. So I'm going to click on the assignment, which takes you to the practice that was right below the video. So you will see on the left hand side, that's the practice. Right above that, that is the video that I was just on, and then there's the other video. So I wanted to walk through a few problems before actually working the one on Khan Academy. So this Word document is also on Canvas in the same assignment, and you will be able to work through the assignment yourself and kind of play with using Word and how you can annotate over your work. And that way you don't need paper. So the first thing I'm going to click is on Review, the Review tab, and I'm going to click on Start Inking. And this is going to pull up different colors that you can use. If you click here, there's a lot more colors than the ones that are available. The eraser will erase, and then the select objects will let you move up and down in the Word document. So I'm going to choose the red for now. And I'm focusing on finding area. So I'm going to use a stylus pen. You don't have to use a stylus pen if you don't have one. You can use your finger and use your touchscreen computer. So I'm going to count the spaces because these are horizontal and vertical lines. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this distance, I'm choosing red, this distance is 8. And then this is 1, 2, 3. So we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So the area equals 8 times 3, which is 24. And so that's the area of the first shape. Right below it, I have a triangle. And we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2. Whoa, not sure what happened there. Is 1/2 base times height. Or some of you like to write the area as base times height over 2, which is also fine. Okay, so the base of this triangle is this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the height. If this is a right angle, remember your hypotenuse is not your base or your height. So the area would be 1/2, 8 times 6. So that would be 1/2, that's an equal sign, 1/2 of 48. So your area is 24. Or if you use this formula, this will also be 8 times 6 divided by 2. You do the numerator first. So that's 48 divided by 2, and the area is 24. And you may use a calculator as well. So that would be the answer for the area of this triangle. Now let's go to Khan Academy. And I wanted to show you in Khan Academy how on the bottom right hand corner you will see this pencil with the marking because that tells us that we can annotate over our work. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to select this color for now. And if I want to find the area of this triangle, the way the video in Khan Academy does it is they find the area of the outside. So they're finding the area of this triangle here because I know that these two lines are this line and this line are perpendicular, and so they form a 90-degree angle. And I can find the base and the height. So the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the base is 2. So you can use Pythagorean theorem to find this distance, and that would be very helpful to find the perimeter of this shape. But in this case, I can't really find the height of this triangle because normally the height would be here, and that is another diagonal line. So what we do is we actually find the area of this triangle here. So we know that the area of this triangle is going to be 1/2 base times height, so 1/2 4 times 2. So the area would be 4 times 2 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So the area of this triangle is 4. I'm going to find the area of this other triangle. So I'm going to find this area, and these lines are also perpendicular. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the base. And then 1, 2, 3, this is the height. So again, this time it will be area equals 1/2 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15, and half of 15 is 7.5. Let me make sure I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then the last triangle is this one here. And so the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So the area of that would be 1/2 7 times 1. Oops. 7 times 1 is 7, divided by 2 is 3.5. So this is 3.5. Okay, so the area of all the triangles is 4 plus 7.5 plus 3.5. So the area of all those triangles is going to be 15. Okay, so I found the outside. I want to find the area of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of the whole shape. So we know the whole shape is this triangle here, or this rectangle, sorry. And the area of the rectangle is length times width. So the area equals, the length here would be that 5 plus 2, which is 7. And the width is this 3 plus this 1, which is 4. So the area equals 28. So now I'm going to take the long piece, the rectangle, and subtract from all the triangles that I had. So 28 minus 15. So 13. And so I'm going to, I can click the pencil and I can click the annotate and get out of there. Or I can click it back on and it shows my work. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to do 13 squared units, and I'm going to click on check. And it says nice work. So I can move on to the next question and I can do the same thing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.